My name is Ash Attia, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Bionic Vision Technology. I lead a team of very bright people bringing back vision to the blind. The bionic eye is essentially a system that's implanted behind the eye. It consists of a pair of glasses. It captures the scene in front of the blind person, translates it into electrical impulses behind the eye, and between that and the brain, it gives back the blind person the ability to have some vision that they can function with after they have lost their vision completely due to a genetic condition. I think the most difficult that we face is really how to give patient back vision that they can function with, and filtering away a lot of the things that perhaps you and I can easily filter when we are looking at a scene. We had to learn how to train patients individually and customize the system for them individually. The number one cause of vision loss in working age people group in the world is a genetic condition called Retinitis Pigmentosa. It's such a debilitating disease that you are born to see, but through no fault of your own, you completely lose your eyesight. And there is nothing in the world, and still continues to be, no other viable alternative anywhere in the world today that can give these people any sense of vision back. So the bionic eye, that's an Australian research, development and innovation, will be able to provide that. To be honest, in any medical device breakthrough technology, you really need to believe in what you're doing, and to us, nothing is better than to see a patient telling you that for the first time they are recognizing their loved ones that they haven't recognized for very many years, and whether it be their wife or children or grandchildren. That just makes all the work very much worthwhile. Australia has got top minds. Australia has got organizations that are very much committed. High level of quality research and development takes place in this country, and there are many people that you can access in this country. So we are a small country, but we are very, very top on the list of research and innovation. Our dream is to make this available to the many, many millions of patients around the world who need it.